travel on. Look at you, walking. January 20th, and you decided to start, huh?
That's right.
Good job recovering. Come on, try again. Walk to me.
Right.
You can do it. Get back up. Look at that. Look at that. You did it. It's just those little feet make it hard, huh? It's my surfer girl. Just pretend you're riding the waves. Good job. Okay. Good. Get that balance. Get that balance. Get that balance. Get that balance. Yay!